This superior end-unit townhouse is now for sale in Pequannock. This home has a super bright, open yet cozy floor plan. The living room features a gas fireplace with access to the patio. The eat-in kitchen features this charming breakfast nook with views of the greenery outside. The kitchen is wide open with stainless appliances. It's a great prep space that's still open to the rest of the home. The oversized bay window really brings in the light. The living room flows right into the dining room. It's got room for extra storage and a big table for gathering family and friends. An additional room is perfect for a den, library or office. The first floor is rounded out with this cute powder room. Upstairs, the master suite features a wide window and a vaulted ceiling. It's got plenty of storage with custom closets. The master bath is serene, with bright light and neutral surfaces. An oversized shower features lovely tile. An additional bedroom has the same neutral carpet and wide window. It also features a full ensuite bath. A convenient laundry room completes this floor. Enjoy gatherings in the spacious home surrounded by woods and nature. Enjoy the wonderful green space off of the patio. Buy a lifestyle at the desirable and sought-after Glens community. Enjoy all the great amenities the Glens has to offer: clubhouse, playground, sports and in-ground pools. Pride of ownership is evident throughout this 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. It has the ideal layout,